Hello viewers and very warm welcome to my video. Today in this video we'll basically see if we want to use any LLM without going for any cloud provider or any cloud LLM provider API. Is there any way to use LLM at our local machine just to perform some POC or any learning stuff? Is there any option available? So we'll explore uh, around around this thing. Is there any option available? And if it is there, then what is that and how can we use it? And we'll see a practical example of how we can configure that library in our local and start using the LLM for a small conversational chatbot solution. So that's the agenda of this video, and let's see what's there. So we have Ollama, and it is allowing us to run the LLMs in our local in our own computer. So Ollama is a tool that lets us run a LLM locally on our computer instead of using any cloud-based AI services. It's simple. It allows us to download and run AI models like chatbots directly on our laptop or on our servers. So, and it also gives us a benefit of data privacy. So our data, whatever that we are sending for to LLM, it stays within our system. So it's not going over the network. So at some extent, it's safe as well. So there are several benefits of using Ollama, but few of them are like, as I said, so the data stays within our system, so it's not going outside or not exposed to the external servers. And also with this, it is allowing us to do some experimental stuff. So with that, let's see how we can use this. So in order to use it, let's uh, let's jump to Visual Studio Code. So here in Visual Studio, uh, we can see uh, in the terminal we have several commands written over there. But let's begin with the Ollama. So in order to set up Ollama in our local system, we first need to download it. And to download it, there are commands available differently for Windows system and for Mac system. So for Windows we can simply uh, use the winget command. Let me just delete this. So this command will install the Ollama tool in our local. Since I have already installed it, so I will not hit this command. But once the Ollama is downloaded and installed in your system, the very next thing that we should be doing is we can simply first check its version just to make sure it is installed correctly. Okay, simply if we run this command Ollama and hyphen hyphen version, so it will give us the which version of Ollama tool is installed. So in my machine it is 0.15.6. So that's how we can make sure the Ollama is installed and configured properly in our system. So if this is secure, now the next step is to to s- to run this service in our local. So to do so, we have a command. So the command is Ollama serve, which kind of initiate the Ollama. Okay, since Ollama is also running, already running on my system, so that's why. Okay, so once the Ollama is installed, it comes with the different LLMs within it. So like Llama 3, Mistral, and CodeLlama. So these are the popular LLMs that are coming along with the Ollama, and we can make use of it. Let me simply type here, or just reference purpose, let me just put it here. Llama, Mistral, and CodeLlama. So these three are uh, the, the most popular LLMs that are coming with the Ollama tool, and we can make use of them for our uh, for for creating any chatbot solution or any other AI stuff. Now let's jump to the some example. So here I have created one POC, which is actually a conversational chat POC, and it is using the Ollama. So let's first have a look at um, the solution. We have a Ollama client py file, okay, where we have defined one chat function. Okay, it is accepting the messages as an input, and then returning the response that will be coming from the LLM. Then we have conversational .py file where we have uh, basically three functions. One is to accept the messages from the user, like the message that we will be putting, and then we have another method which is meant for the LLM assistant, the response that we'll be getting from the LLM. Then config and all, it's all standard only. Now let's quickly jump to the action, and let me just hit the python app.py file, and it will run my solution. And now you can see um, the Ollama LLM has started working, and it is expecting me to give some prompt. So let me just um, ask ask it what is the temperature in New York now. Since the large language model running locally, it may take some time to respond. Okay, so here we can see the response. It is telling me the temperature of New York Central Park is 18 degrees Celsius. And to stop this conversation, we can simply use exit command. Okay, so that was a small POC I have created using the Ollama, and the LLM that I use is Llama 3. And for for your reference, I'll be sharing the repository of this code in the description of this video. Please go through it. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing my channel, and uh, and hitting the like button. It will encourage people like me to share such videos more and more. And in coming days, I'll be bringing you more such videos, where the focus will be on using the tools that are free and scalable. So with that, I'll conclude this video. Thank you very much for listening me so far, and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you very much.